All right, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the 12-ton crimper, lug crimper. And these are the Chinese version. This is just the one I picked, so let's check it out. Made in China. All right. So I'm going to, I'll tell you what, I'll bring the camera over here. I'm in a hotel right now. I just had this dropped off to me. So here are the batteries, and they do appear to be Makita. It says fully charged. Both of them say fully charged. What I do have is an adapter. This is supposed to be Makita to DeWalt or Milwaukee, so we're gonna find out. The charger does kind of look like a Makita charger, so let's find out. If you're a Milwaukee guy and you're wondering, this thing, it feels quality. It doesn't feel any lighter than the Milwaukee version. If you use these a lot, you know what I'm talking about. That thing's like $6,000–$7,000. Used to be like 10. So yeah, this dude's all there. All right. So this is supposed to take your Milwaukee or DeWalt, and this is supposed to be Makita. Let's find out. That looks like a win. All right, so I didn't read the instructions. Y'all watch me open the box. It's got this little screen on the back, and it appears that it is showing me how many times it's been used, and looks like my battery life and the temperature of the machine in Celsius. Auto retract. That's cool. All right, so if I go halfway, okay. So let's say you made a mistake. You went halfway. You just push this button, brings it back. Whew. It smells like a brush motor burning up. Wow. It smells rough. I don't know. We'll see how long it lasts. Push button release right here. And this one is right on the side. The main one I'll be using will be the 240, because I only mess with 535 and 777s. locks in. Locks in. Well, that's 2 runs. And it has it marked on the times. So, yeah. And it still says 2 times. So it looks like saved memory right there. Well, that's the unboxing. We're gonna do another video. Actually tomorrow I have a 535 lug I gotta put on. So we'll get to see it in action. See how good it does. Yeah, that's all I can think of. Thank you.